Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm happy to see everyone here. For today's episode, I have more updates and information regarding the up-and-coming Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami Collection that will be launching January 2025. So I have more news in regards to when the Drop 2 and Drop 3 would be releasing. And of course, more importantly, I have teaser photos of the Drop 2 Murakami Collection, and I'm very excited to be sharing them to you. So I have created already at least 3 vlogs of this collection. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to link everything on the description box below. So for today's episode, I would be sharing everything to you, all the things that you need to know. So just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramirafy2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so as mentioned earlier, I have already published 3 vlogs of the Drop 1 for the Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami Collection. I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box. And when I have seen these photos, guys, I immediately fell in love, especially with the Takashi Murakami Drop 1. So they have like 2 collections. One would be the multicolor. So the multicolor would come with the color noir and then color white. So with the noir, I am so in love, particularly with the Nano Speedy. There is the Nice Mini, and of course the pochette or the toiletry pouch 26. I'm kind of forgetting the name. So those are the bags that I'm really eyeing for the multicolor collection. Then of course, aside from this one, they would be launching the super flat collection. So it would come in the monogram canvas, and with the monogram canvas, it would come with the Murakami flowers or the panda prints, which I am so in love as well. But now I would be sharing to you new updates, more updates regarding the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection that will be launching. So as we know, the Drop 1 would be releasing January 2025, and I believe you could already pre-order this one with your CAs. So please do check your local website and your CAs. And of course, you need to definitely see the features and photos and detailed prices of these. Then definitely you would need to check the previous vlog that I posted. But guys, kindly take note that there would be, for this collection, so this is the 20th year collection of the Murakami collection from the Marc Jacobs era. So the second drop would be launching by March. So we don't have the exact date. So the March drop would be the Drop 2, and this would be for the Cherry Blossom collection. So later, I'm going to share more updates and teasers for the Cherry Blossom collection. And then the Drop 3 would be happening by May, and this would be the Cherries collection. So I'm just going to put some sample photos here. This is not the latest collection. This is from the collection that they have launched 20 years ago. So now we know. So for January, we have the multicolor collection and the super flat collection of the Murakami. Then of course, by March, we are going to have the Cherry Blossom collection or the Sakura collection. And then by May, we are going to have the Cherries collection. Alright, so this is what you have been waiting for. So I have some teaser photos and leaks online of the Sakura or the Cherry Blossom collection that will be releasing March 2025. So what I'm seeing here on the teaser photos, so currently we have 2 types of materials. So of course, we have the leather and we have the classic monogram canvas. So guys, I don't have the prices yet, but I do have some photos and SKU here. So let us discuss first the leather collection. So first we have the Capucines Mini. We have SKU here. So what I'm looking at this one, so the Capucines Mini. So it would come of course with detachable leather strap. The leather strap would have a chain, and then of course it would have a leather part that is fully adjustable. So the LV logo of the Capucines I could see here is like enamel, and it is in like the Sakura Pink colorway, and it would come with a detachable bag charm, which is like a sakura or cherry blossom flower, so that is cute. Next on the collection, this one I'm not really sure if I really love. You know me, guys, you know how much I love the Alma BB, but this one, it would come in the leather version, so I'm not really sure if this is an epi leather, but this is an Alma BB. We have SKU here in the Sakura Pink colorway. So as we are going to notice, zooming in, so of course it would come with the leather top handle, it would come with the key clochette. The key clochette we're going to notice, just like with the drop one, it would have the flower, the ribbon detail, and of course the entirety of the bag, we are seeing the Murakami cherry blossom print. So this one I'm not really in love with. Maybe it's because I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure compared to the multicolor and the super flat collection, which I really fell in love. But this one, this print, I'm not really loving. Then of course we have another Capucines mini. So this one, so size is mini. So we are noticing the detachable shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap would have a braided shade, and it would have a leather piece that is fully adjustable. And then the body of the Capucines mini, we are seeing just like with the Alma BB, it is printed. I'm not sure if this is printed, but it looks like it would have cherry blossoms all over again. So again, me not a huge fan of this style. This one is better for me, the Marilini. So we have SKU here. So same colorway like the Sakura Pink colorway. So I think what I'm loving about this one is the detachable cherry blossom bag charm, the Murakami bag charm. So I love a bag when it comes with detachable bag charm, because you could detach it anytime you wanted. You could use it, play with it. So I love this Marilini style. It would come with detachable chain strap. Of course, it would come with the key clochette that is also fully detachable, and it would come with detachable shoulder strap. Next bag on this one, still part of the leather pieces. So we have the Neo Noe BB. So the Neo Noe BB, I love that it would come with a top handle and of course detachable crossbody strap. So same with the Alma BB, it would come with the cherry blossom print on all over of the bag, which again, I'm not a huge fan of. That's what I could say about the Neo Noe BB. And then let us check if we have more. So on this leather pieces as well, I'm seeing like there is an LV twist, although I don't have the full photo. So I think this is like a, no, this is like a Capucines wallet. Apologies. So this is more of a Capucines wallet with the Sakura print all over. And of course, we have a cosmetic or a cosmetic pouch with the Sakura print all over, and color is pink. So those are the leather pieces that I'm currently seeing. And as mentioned, I'm not really a fan of these pieces. I am more of a fan, like for example with the Marilini, where the body of the bag doesn't have the cherry print, or rather the Sakura print, but it would only come with a bag charm. For me, that is better. Again, it is just my opinion, guys. If you love the Sakura or cherry blossom print, then definitely go for it. So now let us discuss the monogram print for the drop 2 of the Louis Vuitton X Murakami collection. So next we have the nano bucket. So this one, apologies again, I don't have the prices as of the moment. Once I have more photos and prices and other information, guys, definitely I will be creating a separate vlog for you. So kindly stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you are notified. Alright, so going back, we have the nano bucket. So this one, the main body of the bag, of course, is the classic monogram canvas. It would come with the untreated vachetta leather trim. So we're going to see that it comes with the top handle. I believe the nano bucket, it would come with a longer strap as well. Then of course it would come with the detachable key pouch or key clay. So this one, so this is like now the classic Murakami drop that they have done 20 years ago. So classic monogram canvas, and printed on top of it would be Sakura or the cherry flower print. My thoughts, I like this better, a little bit better compared to the leather version that we have seen a while ago. So next we had the Papillon bag. So for the Papillon, so zooming in, so of course if you are unfamiliar with the Papillon bag, just like with my soufflot over here, it would come with 2 bags. It would come with the mommy bag, and it would come with the detachable baby bag. So they look the same. My main material, of course, is a classic monogram canvas, and on top it is printed with the Sakura or the cherry flower print. It would come, of course, with a longer shoulder strap, but that is not adjustable, and it is made of untreated vachetta leather. So this one compared to the nano bucket, actually I love both. I love these styles. I love the nano bucket and I love the papillon bag. Next on this one, let us discuss the balloon bag. So this is a revival, so an archival design. So they also had the balloon bag from the previous Murakami drop. So they are relaunching of this one. So the balloon bag, the main material of course is the classic monogram canvas, and printed we have the cherry or the sakura print. So it would come with two strap. It would come with adjustable and detachable vachetta crossbody strap, and it would come now with a shorter chain strap, so you could use this one as a shoulder bag. So the sides of the bag, it would come with the vachetta leather as well. So this one, the vachetta leather of this is, I feel it's pre-treated, so it is a little bit darker compared to the nano bucket and the papillon bag that we have seen a while ago. Then the next Murakami bag that I'm seeing, we have a Nice Mini, we have SKU here. So it would come with same material. The base would be classic monogram canvas, and it would come with the monogram or the Murakami flower print. So this one I like, but honestly guys, comparing it to the multicolor one, the noir version, I am loving the multicolor one better compared to this drop 2. So if you are agreeing with me, kindly comment down below. If not, if you love this better, kindly leave a comment below. Next we have the Victorine wallet trunk. So this one, so we have SKU here. So this is an SLG, so same thing, main material monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims or untreated vachetta leather trims. So on top of the monogram canvas, we have the sakura flower print. Next, if you are waiting for the pochette accessories, and then you are in luck, because the next one, we have the pochette accessories over here. So this one, so main monogram canvas, but untreated vachetta leather trims. It just like with the classic pochette accessories, it would have the shoulder strap that is vachetta. Then this time it would come with a chain strap, so that is added, and I see that it would come with a padlock as well. So the padlock, it would come with the ribbon detail vachetta leather. Then I'm also seeing another SLG. We have the simple card holder. So this one, we have SKU here. So the simple card holder, I'm seeing that the sakura or the cherry flower print is enlarged compared to the size of the card holder. So what do you think of this one? This one I like compared to the other one, but again, comparing the monogram canvas versus the leather version, definitely I am loving the monogram version more. We have a little bit of trunk. First, we have the Courier Lezine Fleurs Blossom. So this is the Louis Vuitton trunk, wherein you could use this one as for storage, but it would be nice if you're going to use this one as a coffee table. Just add a glass on top of it, then voila, you have a wonderful coffee table. So the base of this one, of course, would be classic monogram canvas, and it would come with untreated vachetta, and we have a treated leather as well. It would come with gold hardware. It would have S-lock feature. So definitely this is going to be a very beautiful addition to your living room. Then we have the camera box blossom, so still part of the monogram Murakami collection. So we have SKU here. So the vachetta leather trims here, as you can see, it's stark white compared to the Bologna a while ago. So it would come with gold hardware. It would come with detachable leather crossbody strap. Then we have the coffret jewelry. So apologies for the mispronunciation. So this is another trunk for the Murakami collection. So main material monogram canvas with untreated vachetta leather trims with gold hardware. We also have this one, guys, I cannot pronounce, but I'm just going to put the photo in SKU here. So we have the Mal Coiffus Blossom. So another trunk that you could perhaps use whenever you travel. Then we have some luggages over here. So we have the rolling trunk. So the rolling trunk, it has 4 wheels. It has, of course, the monogram canvas with Murakami cherry blossom print. Then this one, the more modern of the rolling trunk, we have the Horizon size 55, so 55 centimeters in length, and of course main monogram canvas with the Murakami cherry blossom print. And then I'm seeing also a keep of 45. We have SKU here. So this one is nice. Main monogram canvas with untreated vachetta leather trims. It would come with bag tag and detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. There, so those are the teasers and updates regarding the Murakami collection for 2025. So please take note, drop 2 would be by March, and then drop 3, this would be the final drop, would be by May. That would be the cherry blossom print. So as mentioned earlier, I'm not really a fan of drop 2. So I was kind of holding off whether if I would be purchasing already on drop 1 because I'm eyeing a couple of pieces. But I was thinking, should I wait for drop 2 or drop 3? But seeing the drop 2, I'm not really in love compared to the drop 1. What do you think? Kindly let me know and comment down below. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video. Follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!